Hey guys, it's Yusuf, and today I'm sharing some of my favorite Microsoft Teams tips and shortcuts to help you stay focused, be more productive, and just become an overall Microsoft Teams wizard. So check these out. If you're anything like me, trying to stay focused while being in Microsoft Teams and seeing all the notifications and different alerts can be super distracting. So what's great is there are a few things you can do to help drill down your focus and kind of hide those less priority notifications. So one thing you can do is in the Activities tab, you can go ahead and filter things just like mentions only or replies to your messages. That way you can just drill down to the most high priority items in that tab. When you're part of a bunch of teams, what you can do is you can actually click and drag your high priority teams and move them to the top. You can put your own custom order of all those teams, so you can order them highest to lowest priority. This is a great way to jump to the most important teams you're part of, and then you can get to the lower priority ones when you have free time. Sometimes we're part of teams for more social, lighthearted chats. What you can actually do is mute those teams or channels so that you're not distracted by the notifications, and then you can get back to them when you have some more downtime. You can also set yourself to do not disturb. Great way to mute notifications when you really need to drill down and focus on work. And then you can just go to the search bar, hit /available, and it'll bring your status back to available. Bookmarking a message is a great way to save an important message. Let's say someone sends you an important document, important message. You can bookmark it so that you can search it later on. Or sometimes, it's something you need to get back to. Bookmarking is a great way for you to remember that you can go back to it. You can also mark a message as unread, so that you can look up unread messages and quickly find that message you didn't get a chance to fully read or respond to. Tags in Microsoft Teams is such a great little gem that I feel like is always underutilized. What tags allow you to do is, let's say you have a team for a new client project, which is like an email campaign. Well, within your team, all your members, you can tag them with different custom tags, things like maybe I want to tag my creative team. So anyone who's creative, they would have a creative tag. My client service team, tag them with the client service tag. My data team, again, tag them with a data tag. That way, whenever I need to message something specific to that group, I can message that tag. So I can just @client service. Super helpful. It lets you kind of organize your members as well as gives you access to quickly message people within a tag group. To start a new chat in Microsoft Teams, you can obviously click the new chat button, or you can just hit Command N on Mac or Control N on Windows. When you're in a chat, you may want to write a multi-line message. And if you're like me, you may have hit enter and end up sending a message that wasn't complete. To create a new line, just hit Shift and enter. You can also click the rich text editor so that you can have a more formatted message. This gives you all the rich text edit options and is a great way to put together more formal messages. A quick, easy way to spice up a message with an emoji is you can actually click the emoji icon and search for one, or you can just put in a colon and then an expression. So I can put colon, smile, and a smile emoji will pop up. Great way to quickly find the emoji you want to use in your chat. Whenever you're in a chat and you need to quickly attach a file, you can just hit Command O on Mac or Control O on Windows. This will let you quickly open up an attachment and send it to the person you're in a message with. On the navigation sidebar, you can also use a shortcut to toggle between the different items. All you have to do is hit Command 1 to go to the first one, or Command 2 to the second, and so on. For Windows, it's Control 1, Control 2, etc. Great way to quickly use a shortcut to jump back between the different tabs. I'm a huge user of the Wiki. I find it so helpful to be able to write out all these process, procedures, and notes. And what's great is you can have multiple wikis for each channel or team that you're part of. But what's hard is if you want to reference that wiki, you don't want to have to go into every single channel to find that specific wiki. What you can do is pin the wiki on the sidebar of your Microsoft Teams. This will show you your personal wiki and any other wiki you're part of from a team or channel. Whenever you're in your Microsoft Teams call and you need to mute yourself, you can obviously click the microphone icon to mute yourself, but you can also just hit Control-Shift-M on Windows or Command-Shift-M on Mac to mute yourself. I think that's always super helpful, that shortcut, because sometimes there's a lot going on your screen, and so being able to quickly hit that shortcut will mute you right away. If you love Microsoft Teams shortcuts, you can actually click your profile picture in Microsoft Teams and click on keyboard shortcuts to get the full list of Teams shortcuts. I hope you guys have found this helpful, and I will chat with all of you later.